Hey everyone, let's mix jollof rice today. So we are going on a low budget jollof rice. So this is Nigerian jollof rice at a very low budget. You can cook it. Things are very hard in Nigeria. So I'm going to be showing you how I made Sapa jollof rice for me and my kids to eat. As low as you can use 2,000 naira to cook it in Nigeria. It depends on the quantity that you are going to carry. If it is 2 cup of rice, 3 cup of rice, any amount of rice that you want to use to prepare it. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my own jollof rice. I use like 4 cup of rice to cook my jollof rice, so with all the simple ingredients. So make sure you keep watching till the end, because I'm going to be telling you a few ingredients that you can get in a nearby shop. If your ingredients is out of stock in your kitchen, so you can get this in any nearby shop if you are in Nigeria. So keep watching, because I'm going to be telling you few things that I pick out for the jollof rice. It will help us, as a housewife, as students, as mothers, as fathers also. It will help
us a lot, at least.
Yes, at least it will make things easier for us. So keep watching. So I'm going to be listing it out. Make sure you watch to the end to see a little thing that can help us in this hard economy in Nigeria. It helps a lot. Even if you didn't see food to eat, you have rice in the house, you can just use few ingredients, put water in the pot, wash the rice, add everything together, then boom, you have seen something to eat for the day. You have seen your daily bread. So keep watching. Make sure you watch to the end, and make sure you subscribe and drop your comment on the comment section to tell us your review about this video, and like and share.
Thank you so much. So keep watching to the end, because I'm gonna be listing it out here.
Thanks for watching. Bye.